So it's been a little while since I've done an installation video on this channel, and today I'm finally upgrading the interior of my MX-5 with this aluminium pedal set from Motorsport. So I actually bought these about 3 years ago for around £72.50, and I just never really got around to installing them. So it's about time I get it done. So I'm hoping they not only look good, but also make a bit of a difference in terms of how the car feels to drive. So in this video, I'll show you what comes in the box, what tools you'll need, and how to install it step by step. And of course, we'll do a before and after at the end, so you can see for yourself if it's actually worth doing. So let's take a look at what you actually get. Inside the box, we've got a clutch pedal cover, a brake pedal cover, a footrest cover, an accelerator pedal cover, and a bag of screws. For the fixings, you get 2 longer screws for the footrest and 4 slightly shorter ones for the accelerator pedal. On first impressions, these actually look really clean. Nice brushed aluminium with the rubber grips. So it should not only look better, but hopefully feel a bit nicer under your feet too. For the installation, you don't need anything too complicated. You'll need a drill, a 2.5mm drill bit, a Phillips screwdriver, some kind of hook tool, masking tape, and a pen. Before we get started, here's what the stock pedals look like. They're just standard rubber, nothing wrong with them, but they're definitely not the most exciting. I'm going to start with the footrest and then work my way across. First, just place it on top so you can get an idea of where the holes need to go. Once you're happy with the position, put some masking tape down so you have something to mark on. Line it up again, mark your holes. Then grab your drill with a 2.5mm bit and drill the 2 holes. Once that's done, line it up one last time and secure it using the 2 longer screws. That already looks so much better. Next up is the clutch. First, just peel off the original rubber cover. Then slide the new one over the top. These are slightly different because they don't get screwed on, they actually wrap around the pedal using the rubber edges. As you can see, I'm finding it really difficult to put this one on, and that's because the rubber is too stiff. So I'm going to try something that might help me. So I've just put the clutch and brake covers in some hot water with some washing up liquid for around 10 minutes to help soften it and make it easier to slip on. Right, now let's try that again. Now it's much easier to fit this on. The hook tool helps a lot because you can pull the rubber around the edges. Just take your time with this and make sure all of the rubber is properly wrapped around. The brake pedal is exactly the same process. Remove the old cover, slide the new one over the top, and work the rubber around until everything is sitting properly. Now onto the accelerator pedal. This one is similar to the footrest because it needs to be drilled. I know some people remove the accelerator pedal to make this easier, but I'm going to try installing it without removing it and see how difficult it actually is. Same process again. Line it up. Mark your holes. And then drill them out. Then secure it using the 4 shorter screws. Before putting everything away, just give all the pedals a quick test. Make sure nothing is loose and everything feels solid. So here's what it looked like before. And here's how it looks now. So there we are, and I have to say they look really great, and I'm really surprised at how much of a difference it makes. It's only a small modification, but I really think it makes the interior feel a bit more sporty and also a bit more premium as well. It's also a really nice thing to see when you open the door to get in the car, as it just adds more of a sporty feeling. So that's how you install the IL Motorsport aluminium pedal covers on your MX-5 ND. Hopefully you found this video useful, especially if you're thinking of doing this modification yourself. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and subscribe for more MX-5 content, and I'll see you all in the next one.